Hi everybody, I thought I'd give you a quick YouTube video. I've gone on eBay, I've ordered a Apple Watch. Don't think I could wait anymore, so I've decided to order one now. And I'm quite happy about it. And also, it's coming on the 25th and the 26th. So I'm hoping it comes on a Thursday so I can get it a bit earlier and get used to having an Apple Watch. So I'm quite excited to get an Apple Watch finally. So I hope to be doing a review on the Thursday. And yeah, I can't wait. I had my boyfriend over yesterday, which was quite nice. Just sat in my back garden, which was nice. Had a little kiss, as you do, which I was quite happy about, because he's never actually fully kissed me like that before. So it shows you that he loves me. Anyway, I thought I'd tell you all of that, and stay tuned, and I will show you my new Apple Watch, which will be, it's an old one though, it's an Apple Watch Series 2, but at least it works, so I'm happy with that. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and comment down below, and don't forget to press that notification bell. Bye.